Let's start today with section B of Maths Practice Paper 2023. Let's start with question number 21. It says, check whether the three lines represented by the equation given below intersect at a common point. So first, what should we do? Let's take any two equations, this, or this, any two equations. And then let's solve for the value of x and y. Then in the next equation, which we have not used, we'll put the value of x and y and see if it satisfies the equation. So first for that, let me name these equations 1, 2 and 3. So I will take equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I'll multiply 2 with equation 1 and then subtract it from equation 2. मतलब मैं क्या करूँगी 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँगी 2x प्लस वाई माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0 में. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये 4x प्लस 2y माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस आई एम गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 2. इक्वेशन 2 क्या है 4x प्लस 3y प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट, how much will I get? ये 4x, this will get cancelled out. Here 2y minus 3y I'll get minus 5. And here I'll get minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 equal to 0. Which implies that y equal to minus 7. This will be the value for y. Now let me put this y equal to minus 7 in one of the equations. Let me put here in the first equation. So substituting the value of y equal to minus 7 in equation 1. So I'm not writing these big sentences. You need to write substituting. I'm just writing like this. Substituting. I'm not writing the entire word. The y equal to minus 7 in equation 1. We get x equal to minus y plus 1 by 2 from this equation. Minus y plus 1 by 2. Then here if I put a minus of minus 7, if I put y's value equal to minus 7, it will be minus of minus 7 plus 1 by 2, which implies x finally it will be 8 by 2, which means x is equal to 4. So we got two values, x equal to 4, y equal to minus 7, which satisfies both the equations first and 2. This is the point, x equal to 4, y equal to 7, where these two equations lines intersect. Okay, lines for these two equations intersect. Now let's put these values in this third equation. So substituting x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 7 in equation 3. 5x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation. Here I put y into 4 plus, first I put the x value here, y into 4. 4 into minus 7 plus 8. Okay. If left hand side equal to right hand side means the equation these values x and y satisfy this equation, right? So let's see, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 0 हो जाता है कि नहीं. 5 4 are 20. ये हो गया 4 into minus 7 is minus 28. So minus 28 plus 8 equal to 0. ये कितना हुआ 20 plus 8 is 28 minus 28 equal to 0. 28 minus 0 equal to 0. So this means that 0 equal to 0 means x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 7 is this is the point x equal to 4, y equal to minus 7 where these three lines intersect. So we got the answer for question number 21. Okay, now let's start with question number 22. Question number 22 says, shown below is a circle with center O. NQ is a tangent to the circle. Find the measure of angle OQN. This is the angle that we need to find, OQN. Show your work and give valid reason. So I have written the theorem that we are going to use in this particular question. This angle, this is the arc. This is the arc NP. NP subtends an angle at O, same NP arc is subtending another angle at another point on the circumference of the circle. The point is M. Okay, ये NP जो है ये एक एंगल बना रहा है O पे. Same NP arc is making another angle on point M, which is on the circumference of the circle. So you have read a theorem in your grade 9 or class 9 which said that an arc subtends an angle at the center of the circle. Okay, and that angle, what is its measure? With its measure double than the angle it subtends at any point on the circumference of a circle. मतलब ये arc यहाँ पर अगर 25 डिग्री कर रहा है तो यहाँ पर डबल करेगा. On the center it will have an angle which is double of the angle that it subtends on any point on the circumference of a circle. So if this is 25, so according to this theorem of arc, according to the above theorem, we can write that if angle M is equal to 25 degrees, then angle NOQ will be, NOQ which is the angle made by the arc at the center, that will be double, which means 50 degree. 25 ka double hai 50 degree, so it's 50 degree. Now also we know that the question has given that NQ is a tangent to the circle, right? NQ is a tangent to the circle. So this angle will be 90 degree. We know this already. We have read it several times that the tangent meets the radius at the point and makes a 90 degree over there. So since angle NQ is a tangent to the circle, so angle ONQ will be equal to 90 degree. Now we can put angle sum theorem. What is the triangle angle sum? 180 degree. So according to that, angle ONQ, OQN, not ONQ, OQN, that we need to find out. Angle OQN, I am writing it again. Angle OQN will be 180 degree subtracted from 90 plus 50. ये 90 है और ये हमारा हो गया 50 degrees. So 90 plus 50 अगर subtract कर लेंगे, ये entire triangle जो है, in triangle ONQ, this will be 180 degree minus 50 plus 90 will give us the angle that is asking us this angle. So if I do this, what will I get? 180 minus 9 plus 5 is 14, 140 degrees, which will be 40 degrees. 180 minus 140 will be 40 degrees. So angle OQN we found is 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. So this is the answer for question number 22. If you're finding difficult to understand any of the solution, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to solve it. Let's start with question number 23. Question number 23 says, find the smallest pair of 4-digit numbers such that the difference between them is 303 and their HCF is 101, and show your steps. So 4-digit two numbers are there. I have taken blanks क्योंकि हमें अभी पता नहीं है number क्या है. Given मैंने लिख लिया है, difference is 303 between them and HCF is 101. So to understand the question better, let's take two numbers which have HCF as 1. So 7. So let those two numbers be 56 and 21. Okay, so 7 8s are 56, 7 3s are 21. Beyond this I cannot go, these are co-prime. So 7 is my HCF for 56 and 21. Now 56, does it have only 21 in it? No, it has some more factors. 7 8s are 56. Okay, similarly 21 also has another factor, 3. And then 1 is there, but I'm not trying to take 1. I'm not trying to make any different point. I want to focus here. So 7 is the common factor, highest common factor between 56 and 21. And the rest factors which are not common are co-prime to each other. 3 and 8 are co-prime to each other. So in a similar fashion, here I am taking two co-prime numbers like 8 and 3. I am taking, let there be two co-prime numbers. A and B, such that A is greater than B. Let A become greater than B because both there is a pair of 4-digit numbers. One must be greater than the other definitely. They are not the same, they are distinct numbers. So one will be definitely greater than the other. So 101A will be one of the numbers, the other number will be definitely 101B. So that is why I said I brought this thing into example into account to show that A and B also are co-prime, like 8 and 3 here are co-prime for 56 and 21. Similarly, these two numbers will have two co-prime numbers multiplied to them, and common factor will be, highest common factor will be 101. Now, if I try to find the difference between them, A being greater, I have wrote it before, and 101B will be the smaller number. So, because A is greater than B, that will be, difference will be 303. Now from this, I will find out the relationship between A and B. A minus B whole multiplied with 101 is equal to 303, which means A minus B is equal to 303 by 101. If I divide, it will be 3. So A minus B is equal to 3, which implies A equal to B plus 3. So A is greater, and by what? A is greater to B by 3 digits. Okay. So this much we found. Still we are away from the solution. कैसे निकालेंगे? A equal to B plus 3 तो हमें मिल गया. Now, can I write that let A equal to, let me take it any random number, 5. If I multiply 5 with 101, I'll get this number 101A, maybe. Let's see. 101A will be 505. But do I need a 3-digit number? I need a 4-digit number, and that to the smallest one. So A equal to 5 does not satisfy. Now where it will become, when I take a 2-digit number, let's take A equal to 10. That time 101A will become 1010, because A equal to 9 will give me 909. 100A will be 909. That is also not 4-digit number. So only for A equal to 10 do we get the first smallest smallest 4-digit number. Now when A equal to 10, B will be A minus 3, means B will become equal to 7. That time 101B will be, means the other number in the pair will be 707. But we have got the question that both the numbers are 4 digits, means A cannot be equal to 10. I can take, so A equal to 10 condition is not working, means the bigger co-prime number should not be 10. Let's take B equal to 10, the smaller co-prime number is equal to 10. So I have cut here, you need not cut, you can write here. You can write here that if I take A equal to 7 and B becomes A equal to 10, then B becomes 7, and the value of 101B now is not a 4-digit number. So that is why A equal to 10 does not satisfy. You can write, but I just cut because this is not what satisfies our question. So let B equal to 10. If B becomes 10, 101B will become 1010. Then what will be A? A will be 10 plus 3. A will become 13. A will become 13. Then 101A will be how much? 101 multiplied by 13. It will be 1313. Okay, these are two 4-digit numbers. 1010 will be the smallest 4-digit number, which satisfies the fact that 101 is a factor of it, right? Other factors will be 909. The next lower number will be 909. It does not satisfy 4 digits. So 1010 satisfies all the conditions along with 1313. So the 2 digits are 1010 and 1313.